Imagine getting Google exclusive goodies, mentorship opportunities, networking with amazing people, certificates, early access to events, and becoming a part of a powerful tech community all while still in college. Sounds unreal, right? But yes, Google DSC applications are open, and the biggest misconception among students is that they have to be expert coders or toppers to get selected. It's completely wrong because Google looks for students who are passionate, consistent, willingness to learn, and capable of creating impact to their community. So, if you are someone who is interested in tech, AI cloud, content creation, public speaking, community building, or even just learning new things, then this opportunity can literally change your career. Now, many students will skip this opportunity thinking that I don't have any achievement, I don't know anything, I am having zero confidence and communication. But trust me, most students get selected and also start from zero only. The difference is simple, they apply. And in this video, I'll tell you complete process, what it is, who can apply for this opportunity, what are the benefits you'll be getting, how to fill the application form properly, and will answer all your queries over here. Because opportunities like this don't just give you swags, they help you learn to build confidence, connections, leadership skills, and sometimes even open doors to bigger opportunities in future. You get exposure to Google ecosystem, learn from like-minded people, and interact with students in larger prospect. And let's be honest, the exclusive Google swags are definitely exciting too. So make sure you watch the video till the end because here I'll cover everything from scratch so that you are able to understand and apply in this particular video. So if you are new to this channel, like the video and share the video with everyone. So let's start from the first step. What is Google Developers Student Club Lead? So it is with the idea, you can see it's just like a community group, like you're creating any group on your WhatsApp or maybe for college details or for university details. Similarly, GDSC is a community group for university student across the globe. Across the globe means not limited to India. It's across the globe means different countries where Google are present. Okay, they'll help you, they'll Google will provide you some technologies, some skills, some resources completely free of cost, which they charge normally to other people. Here you'll be getting some chance to host your first event, you'll be learning a lot and all the things. Okay, so here the most important thing is that you are getting a chance to represent your campus or university at global level. So how to apply for this particular opportunity, I'll share the link. From there you have to just come down over here, and here you can see Lead a GDG. You have to click on this particular link. Now, after that, they have changed the application process. So, I'll show you the new process over here. So, you have to just continue with Google. You can use other method also. Continue. I'll tell you what are the requirements over here for just processing in this particular application. So, you can see the registration is now opening. So, here, first we have to mention your full legal name, preferred name, and then company or school or university name and citizenship. So just enter your name, university or school name, like you can mention, or you have to mention your college, school, or sorry, company, school, or university name over here. Now you have to mention the citizenship. So from which country you are located, you have to just mention it like this. How should you refer you? So just mention your gender, he, him, they, them, she, her. Okay. Then click on next. Now here, are you applying for GDG or GDG on campus? Okay. So GDG is a city-based group focused on professional developers, and GDG on campus is for the people who are university students. So if you are a professional developer, you have to apply for GDG. Okay. And if you are a student, you have to apply for GDG on campus. So I'm just showing for GDG on campus. Now here you have to select your country, and then you have to select your city and full university name. Like you can mention any college, for example. Let me just search for a sample college. So I'm using country of residence will be India only. Okay. After that, city of residence, just mention Delhi. You have to mention where you are located. Now you have to tell us little about a developer community in your area. So you can just mention briefly that there are some developer community in your area. If there is no developer community in your area, you can mention there is no. Okay. So you have to just explain why there is no. While writing this context, you can take the help from AI. Do not blindly copy paste. Just it should be a descriptive thing. Okay, means you have to describe about this particular question. Otherwise, if you just like write in one line, then your application will be rejected. Do you have a focus area? Any technologies like you are completing arcade program, so you can select cloud also. You can select AI. Whatever you like, you can just select it one by one. After that, why you are interested in starting a GDG campus on your college. So you have to just mention why you are starting. Like you can say, we have seen people participating in different events. We don't have such resources, and Google will provide these type of resources. We'll be learning about new things. We'll be getting access to the free resources which are provided by Google itself. The most important thing you have here, you have to mention that why are you interested in starting a GDG group over here for your college. Like your college does not have a GDG group, and you have heard about this particular groups that are active on different colleges and campuses. Okay, so you can mention a brief detail about this particular thing. So you have to write it. After that, what's your experience in leading a project or a team? If you have hosted any event on your college, you can mention that thing also over here in detail. Now, what sorts of events you are planning to run? So you can just mention that we are running build with AI challenges, or maybe something like prompt words. You can just mention over here. You can take the help from prompt words challenge. Okay, what is prompt words challenge? You'll find in the description box. I've attached the sheet. From there, you can discover different events over there. After that, tell something about yourself and your technical background. You have to just answer it. Now here you have to share your GitHub link, social links. Okay, Twitter, YouTube channel, LinkedIn, Medium, all the websites and links you have to share. Then simply you can just add co-organizers. If you don't have co-organizers, just simply click on next. Now you have to state that I am over 18 years of old. I have agreed to all the terms and condition. I have read the community guidelines and please submit it. They'll review your application, and once selected, you will be notified via email. So you can just check out for that also. If you still have any doubts, you can let me in the comment section. Most importantly, the application time, due to the new changes in the application format, it will take some time. If you're interested in other opportunities, you can always navigate to the channel. You'll find multiple opportunities over here that are completely free of cost. If you still have any doubts, do let me in the comment section. Thank you, goodbye, and have a great day ahead.